the 2015 Audi A3 2.0T. Powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed manual transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Audi features dual moonroofs, premium package, and all-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include Bluetooth wireless, navigation system, technology package, HD radio, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.